How's it going, guys? Johnny Rocket here with another video for
Freestyle arms. The best way to improve your freestyle is with a drill called Catch-Up Freestyle.
Catch-Up Freestyle is one of the most common drills. It's probably the most common freestyle drill in all of swimming. Wherever you go in the world, Catch-Up Freestyle is the most common. It's where your hands tap out front. One hand has to catch up to the other before the other one's allowed to take its pull. It's part of the hand lead series drill because it keeps one hand out in front of you at all times in that hand lead position. When you swim regular freestyle, it's gonna be a lot like catch-up. I call it superhero freestyle. Your hands are side by side. They don't have to touch, but they will come side by side. Hands stay out front and wait for one another to catch up. So one of the things I like to do before trying it on your own is doing it on the kickboard. So you hold the kickboard at the bottom, thumbs underneath, fingertips on top. Stretch the kickboard out before you start swimming so that you're taking full strokes. Face down in the water. Kind of want your head below your arms, because if it's up, gravity's pulling it down. Everything that's in the air is getting sunk down. So even though earlier I said we're trying to swim higher in the water, it's to a point. If you were to be able to lift yourself out of the water, it's going to be a matter of time before you come crashing back down. But allow your head to sink below your arms like this. You'll feel much smoother. Nice. Excellent. This is going to be the step between the kickboard and doing it on your own. So with the keel, you're going to pinch it back here between your thumb and your forefinger. Now the idea with the keel is you're pushing it forward. So you don't want to grab it, because then you're going to start to shorten up your strokes and the keel's going to get right up against your head. Instead, you want to pinch it and push it forward, then switch, push it forward. And it's going to tip a little bit, so it's going to require a little bit of coordination. And then when we take it away, all of a sudden, everything's going to feel easier. This is going to make it a little bit harder. So I want to wear fins for it too. Other thing the keel can accomplish is not just stretching the stroke out in front, but also creating a stronger pull, because the only way you move forwards in the water is if you're redirecting water backwards, which you do with your arms and your legs. Your kick redirects water backwards, your pull redirects water backwards. With the keel in hand, as this hand pushes forward, I want you to pull this hand farther backwards, so you're creating a longer body line in the water. It's going to require then, or you're going to need less strokes to get across the pool. Less strokes means you have more energy left. We're going to go 225s, regular freestyle, so no keeler. Wow, nice job. All right, one more lap like that. That was gorgeous. Ready? Go.
If you found this video helpful, make sure you splash that like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel for free, become a member today. We're gonna be increasing the price of the membership soon. The people who are already members will be grandfathered in. And then also go ahead and follow us on the other social medias that are like Instagram and TikTok and all the other ones. Buy some merch. We are keeping one color each year. But every 4 years, as you just saw, we did our red color version. So if you missed that, sorry, you're gonna have to wait till the LA Olympics in 2028. With that said, thanks for watching. I'm Johnny Rocket, and let's get swimming.